everyone. Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Lego bricks are made step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for...
Check the batch number on this one.
Looks good, matches the manifest. We can accept the shipment.
Our automated systems ensure unparalleled color accuracy. By precisely measuring pigments, we guarantee every brick is molded to microscopic precision.
Each brick must fit perfectly with every other brick ever made. Scanner. Only perfect sets are shipped worldwide.
And that's how Lego bricks are made, from start to finish.